2003
2003
Chevrolet Avalanche
Chevy
water pump
Avalanche. We're
replacement.
working on this truck for the water pump replacement. So you can see we already removed the fan, and then the belt is out already, and you guys can tell what's going on here. This is the water pump. You have to play in it right here, and this is one of the tensioner. The bearing is bad on this, just to show you, and it moves a little bit, but we're gonna reuse that because it doesn't come to the kit, and it's time to remove it and replace it. All right, so we have on the last bolt here to remove this water pump. That should drop. It's right here. This is the whole water pump that we have. So this is the reason why it's leaking. So you can see the seal is already broken. On the other side, it's about the same thing, as you can see right there. So the gaskets are all broken, old. So we're gonna clean up really good so before we put a new water pump in it. And also this one, of course. This is the propeller of it. It's already bad. All right. Here's the brand new water pump, and the old one. They look identical. Make sure everything is the same. So let's go ahead and install it. Make sure that area of the outlet are clean, and we get a new gasket here for the water pump. We put it there with the bolts to hold it up. Once they're lined up, snug them. We're just gonna snug tight it, and then we're gonna find the torque specs to torque them down. All right, now we got everything in. Everything is torqued down. We got the tensioner, the hoses, double check at work, and that's it. We're gonna go ahead put the fan shroud and test drive it. Should be good to go. All right, this one is done, guys. Water pump installed. As you can see, it's running. We're just making sure that the coolant is top off and bled. There's no air in the system, so it doesn't overheat. But now it's running, as you can see. No more leaks. Water pump not leaking at all. A little more testing on this, but everything looking good. All right, guys. And this is for water pump replacement on the 2003 Chevrolet Avalanche, and this one is like lifted just a bit, not too bad. Look at this. Come on, see this? All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Till next time, peace.